Yeah, guys, Tepcocyclerepair. You're not going to believe this. Look at this nonsense. Somebody shot a hole in my freaking truck. Look. Look, see it going right through there? Now, you can't see it on this side. I got to pull the shroud off and all, but I went to put water in it. Water's pouring all out. Fan's cracked. I don't know, man. I got to pull this thing apart. Oh, man, look. Broken fan. Ooh. There's a bullet hole. Sheesh. Alright, well, we're going to have to pull this out and fix it. I got some aluminum alloy. Hopefully that'll work. I don't know if anything else is damaged in the engine. It doesn't look like it. Oh, even better, guys. Check this out. Here's a part of the radiator. And then look what I found. Freaking bullet. This is a damn hunting bullet or something went through there. Took them out. Jesus. Well, at least it's in here and not in the engine, so we may be okay. Oof. All right, let's keep tackling it. Look at that. Let me get you. Bam. And look, AC condenser's blown out. I got to fix that too. Yep, that's a hole right there. So it looks like this one's tore open in the middle. That one doesn't look like it, and that one doesn't look like it, but I'm going to have to look on the other side and see. But I should be able to top these down here, clear a bunch of these off on each side, either grab it and fold it on itself, or use some of that aluminum alloy stuff. I've had it for so long, I don't know if it's really going to work, but I'm going to try it. I'll pinch them, and we'll see. Let's get it back into the shop. All right, so tearing stuff away. I think that top one is good. You know, it's dented, but it's okay. The bottom one's okay. There's wet marks on there, but I believe that's just from this coming out. So I'm going to, I don't know, they're so soft, these things. I'm just going to crimp them, I think, and just roll them back on themselves. And I'll probably roll it back to about here on both sides. All right, so I'm going to start rolling it back now. Before we get started here, guys, I am not a radiator repair guy. I just watched some videos. I'm going to give it a shot. I mean, look, these things are so soft, like, I mean, you know, look at this thing. It should be able to bend and crimp enough. And from what I'm seeing, there's been a lot of different repairs. I have the aluminum alloy stuff to weld on here, but the soft it is now that I'm taking it apart, I'm just going to roll it back. And a couple guys on there have said that's the way to do it, and it lasts, and there's no problem. So, you know, these radiators only take about 15 pounds of pressure before the cap starts letting everything loose, so into the overflow. So it's not a massive amount of pressure. Let's do it. Oh, heck yeah, man. Look how much more airflow we're going to have. All right, let's go put it in. So if this works out, I'm probably going to leave it for a while and make sure, it's really to make sure that there's no other damage in the engine. I want to make sure that everything pressures up good and there's no other problems with the engine. I'm really not sure. I can't see where the bullet hit besides the parts that I showed you guys. So let's go put this back in. I'm going to crush that a little bit more right there, and then we'll see. But guys, do me a big favor. Go down in the comments and let me know if you've done this before or you've tried it and it doesn't work, and it does work. I don't know. Let me know. But don't worry, guys. I'm not crazy. I'm going to throw it in. I'm going to pressure test it before I go dumping water in there, and we'll see how good it does. All right, guys. So it's back in again. I got the system pressured up to, I don't know what this is. Let's see here. Just under 20 pounds, so about 19 pounds. And we're going to let it sit there. I'm going to spray some soapy water in there, see if I'm getting any bubbles out of it. Come on, we all know we're some Ford guys. All right, guys, so I pressured it up at 725. I'm going to wait, give it 30 minutes, and come back out and see. So I'll give it till 8 o'clock. All right, guys, so we are good to go. We're just back together. I still got to put this cover on right here. I just wanted to clean up some junk down in there. But coolant is filled to the level here. Having no problems. I already ran it a couple times, let the temperature go up and down like it's supposed to. It goes up, thermostat opens, it drops back down normally. No problems. I have no issues anywhere else. I have my scanner in the truck, and I've been checking the scanner with no lights or anything popping up, no trouble codes. Let me start it up and I'll show you. All right, fired right up. Now with these years, GMs, they have gauge problems. You can see this one's at 0 RPM. The speedometer is already on. My oil pressure gauge doesn't work. It's got a whole bunch of issues, so I'm going to send the gauges off to get that all squared away. But yeah, runs fine. So look, Ford guys, we're all friends out here, man. Okay, don't be shooting up your buddy's Chevy truck. But I'm glad I got this one. It's not a big deal. I got an AC condenser coming, so I can throw that on. And I'm going to order a radiator just because I don't like having fixes like that on there permanently. But it showed there's no issues. There's nothing leaking out of it, so it's not a problem right now. But it all worked out, guys. So hopefully you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, Tepcocyclerepair.